What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection problem on your Redmi Note 13 5G. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on more connection options. Now scroll down and tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth option, and then tap on reset settings. Now here enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern. So after entering the correct lock screen pin, password or pattern, it will reset the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and internet connection settings, and after that your issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and internet connection issue on your Redmi Note 13 5G. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.